Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on mobile. Many players are eager to enjoy this fun battle royale game on their phones. However, it is important to know that an official, globally released mobile version of Fall Guys is not currently available. You should be very careful about any unofficial applications you might encounter, as they could pose security risks to your device. Always prioritize your device's safety and data. While a native app isn't available, you can still experience Fall Guys on your mobile device through cloud gaming. Services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game directly to your phone or tablet. For the best experience, you will need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally around 50 megabits per second, to ensure smooth and responsive gameplay without frustrating lag. It is absolutely crucial to exercise caution when looking for Fall Guys on mobile. Unofficial applications often carry significant risks, including malware that can harm your device or steal your personal information. To protect yourself, always download applications exclusively from trusted, official sources such as the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Always double-check the developer's name and read user reviews before installing anything new. The future of an official Fall Guys mobile game remains a topic of much discussion among fans. While there is no confirmed release date or official announcement yet, developers are always exploring new platforms. To stay informed about any potential official mobile release, make sure to follow the official Fall Guys social media accounts and their official website. Any legitimate news will be shared through these trusted channels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.